If you want to limit your in-person interactions during an appointment, you can let us know when you've arrived from your mobile device. Let me show you how. If you completed online registration, you'll get an email or text 30 minutes before your appointment. Open the email and select I'm here to confirm that you've arrived. Then, you'll provide some information to verify your identity. Next, in My Chart, you can confirm that you're here, let the clinic know how far away you are, or cancel the appointment. I'm at the front door, so I'll tap I'm here. Follow any other instructions you see. Now you can take a seat without having to go to the front desk. If you haven't completed online registration before your appointment, you'll receive a similar text or email. Tap I'm here to go right to registration. After you provide the required information, you're all checked in. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about My Chart, check out our other videos.